Welcome my dear students. Today we will solve two questions from exercise 12.1. So question number 8. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter and diameter 1.4 centimeter, a conical cavity of the same height and same diameter is hollowed out. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square. So first, this is a solid cylinder and this cavity in the form of cone is hollowed out. Now we have to find out the area of the remaining solid. So area of the remaining solid can be found out by two methods, or any question of this exercise can be done by two methods. One is specific method according to the question, and one is general method applicable to all questions. So first we will do with the specific method. So now remaining surface area is this curved surface area of the cylinder and base area of this cylinder and this curved surface area of the cone or cavity. So solution: given height of cylinder is equal to height of the conical cavity is equal to 2.4 centimeter. Radius of cylinder is equal to radius of conical cavity is equal to 1.4 by 2 is equal to 0.7 centimeter. Because diameter of the cylinder is equal to diameter of the conical cavity is equal to 1.4 centimeter. Now we will calculate the slant height of conical cavity. So this is L is equal to, by Pythagoras theorem, it is equal to under root h square plus r square, because this is the slant height. So by Pythagoras theorem this is 90 degree. So this square plus this square is equal to this square. Yani L square is equal to h square plus r square. Therefore L is equal to under root h square plus r square. Now put the values. So is equal to under root 2.4 square plus 0.7 square is equal to under root 5.76 sky square प्लस 0.49 इसका स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ऐड किया अंडर रूट 6.25 इज इक्वल टू इसका अंडर रूट लिया 2.5 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ TSE ऑफ रिमेनिंग सॉलिड इज इक्वल टू, अब इसमें क्या है कि जो रिमेनिंग सॉलिड है उसमें TSE क्या क्या बचा है. एक तो ये सिलेंडर का ये बचा है, ये बेस बचा है, और ये जो है कर्व सरफेस एरिया conical cavity का. So TSE of remaining solid is equal to CSE of conical cavity plus CSE of cylinder plus area of the base of the cylinder. So is equal to formula pi RL plus 2 pi RH plus pi R square is equal to pi R कॉमन ले लिया तो ब्रैकेट में बचा L plus 2H plus R. So this is 1. Now put the values. So 22 upon 7 into 0.7 into 2.5 plus 2 into 2.4 plus 0.7. So is equal to 22 into 0.1 in bracket 2.5 plus 4.8 plus 0.7. So this is equal to 2.2 into 8 is equal to 17.6 centimeter square. This is approximately equal to 18 centimeter square. Now with the general formula or applicable to all questions, so here we have to find out the total surface area TSA of the both solids. So one solid is this cylinder and another is cone or in the form of cavity. So total surface area of the cylinder, TSA of cone plus TSA of cylinder minus हमको क्या करना है, the surface area of the common which is hidden or not available in the remaining solid. So hint for alternate method is equal to TSA of cone plus TSA of cylinder minus the area of the surfaces that are common removed. So is equal to पाई आर, ये होता है टोटल सरफेस एरिया कोन का, तो पाई आर एल प्लस आर प्लस 2 पाई आर एच प्लस आर, ये सिलेंडर का टोटल सरफेस एरिया, माइनस पाई आर स्क्वायर बेस ऑफ कोन, कोन का जो बेस है वो अब रिमेनिंग सॉलिड में नहीं है तो इसलिए उसको माइनस करना है, माइनस पाई आर स्क्वायर बेस ऑफ द सिलेंडर, सिलेंडर का भी बेस नहीं है रिमेनिंग सॉलिड में तो उसको भी माइनस करना है. सो इज इक्वल टू पाई आर एल प्लस पाई आर स्क्वायर प्लस 2 पाई आर एच प्लस 2 पाई आर स्क्वायर माइनस 2 पाई आर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू पाई आर एल प्लस 2 पाई आर एच प्लस पाई आर स्क्वायर. So this is equation 2. So you can see equation 1 and 2 are the same. Now we will do the next question. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder as shown in figure. If the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter and its base is of radius 3.5 centimeter, find the total surface area of the article. So article is like this. First this is the wooden cylinder. Then we have scooped out or cut out or removed this portion and make this hemisphere on this one end and also on the other end. So now we have to find out the surface area of the remaining solid. So now what we can see? We see the surface of this cylinder remains and the surface of this hemisphere is also seen and surface of this hemisphere is also seen. So total surface area is equal to curved surface area of this cylinder plus curved surface area of this hemisphere and this hemisphere. So now solution. Article is a combination of a cylinder and two hemispheres. Given height of cylinder is equal to 10 centimeter, radius of the cylinder is equal to radius of the hemispheres is equal to r is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Now TSA of the article is equal to CSA of cylinder plus CSA of two hemispheres. So is equal to 2 pi RH formula plus 2 into 2 pi r square. So this is the CSA of one hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r h plus 2r. 2 pi r common ले लिया. Now put the values. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into 3.5 10 plus 2 into 3.5. So is equal to 2 into 22 into 0.5 10 plus 7 is equal to 22 into 17. Therefore, TSA of the article is equal to 374 centimeter square. Now hint for the general method applicable to all questions. Here you see, so it is the combination of two solids. One is cylinder and two hemispheres. So first we will take the total surface area of the cylinder and total surface area of this hemisphere and total surface area of this hemisphere, and we will total it or make the sum. Then subtract the common area, hidden area or not available in the remaining article. So that is this surface, this base of cylinder and hemisphere and this base of hemisphere and cylinder is not available in the remaining article. So therefore, hint for alternate method. So now we put the total surface area of cylinder plus total surface area of both the hemisphere 2 into 3 pi r square, because 3 pi r square is the total surface area of one hemisphere minus 2 pi r square. This is the base area for cylinder for both base, minus 2 pi r square. This is for hemisphere. This is the base area for both the hemisphere. And when you calculate it, you will get the same answer. So with this बेस्ट ऑफ लक. और आपके पास कोई अगर ऐसा क्वेश्चन है जो आप नहीं निकाल पा रहे हैं तो आप कमेंट्स में लिखिए, मैं इसका सॉल्यूशन बना के वीडियो अपलोड कर दूंगा. विद बेस्ट ऑफ लक. थैंक यू.